Before I can make new videos, I have to get something out of my system. Gladly, I already have a solution for it. And this is it. This is my workbench. I film everything with it. And of course, I build everything on it. It has a height of 96 centimeters or around pi feet. I'm a tall guy and this works for me. This is the stand I use for filming. A Manfrotto Art 90, made in Italy. A sturdy beast and I love it. But it has a short pole, so if I need to extend it, it comes to this belly. And after having managed to extend all feet, they're always in the way. But I told you guys, I found a solution. And there it is, a 90 centimeter long pole made by Berlebach here in Germany. Let's mount it. Fight off the rubber end. Remove the pole. Put the tripod away securely. Grab a sophisticated flathead screwdriver. Click the link down below if you want to know more about these beautiful tools. Then undo all screws. And screw on the new pole. Ooh, and I already like that this is such a nice fit. Remember to use the right size screwdriver so you won't slip and damage the screws. Then remove the rubber end. Again. Put the better, longer pole inside the tripod. And really make sure the old rubber end you like more really doesn't fit. I'll deal with it in a sec. Yeah, right. Those screws always have a spring that pushes against the pole, so you have to push it back a little to get it in. This cap has a hook so you can hang a sandbag or such to weigh a tripod down for more stability. But being able to lower it further down would be more beneficial for my use case. So let the sparks fly. And kids, remember, you don't lay your tools down while they're still spinning. And wear protection, like this, or this. So, and this is it.
Now see the uprising of the mighty camera stand.
Can you see how high it goes? It ends there. It is now even taller than with the old pole and all legs extended. Oh, presto! Now I can start making stuff again. Or can I?